alright. And you're showing off, but it's alright. It's a short life, yeah. That's a real one in your reflection. Without a follow, without a mention. You really piping up on these niggas. You gotta be nice for what to these niggas? I understand. You got 100 bands, you got a baby bands, you got some bad friends. High school pics, you was even bad then. You ain't stressing off no lover in the past tense. You already had them. Work at 8 a.m., finish round 5. Post talk down, you don't see them outside. Yeah, they don't really be the same offline. You know dog days, you know hard times. Doing overtime for the last month. Saturday, call the girls, get them gassed up. Gotta hit the club, gotta make the ass jump. Gotta hit the club like you hit the motherfucking angles. With your phone out, snapping like you Fable. And you showing off, but it's alright. And you showing off, but it's alright. It's a short life.
These hoes, your boy, I may.
Watch the breakdown.
That's a real one in your reflection. Without a follow, without a mention. You really piping up on these niggas. You gotta be nice for what to these niggas? I understand. Gotta hit the club like you hit them angles. It's a short life.
You said you died for me. Give to me, give to me. Why won't you live for me?
I pop the pain away, I slide the pain away. I pop the pain away, I slide the pain away.
I hope I'm not too late to set my demons straight. I know I made you wait, but how much can you take? I hope you see the God in me. I hope you can see. And if it's up, stay down for me. Yeah.
Sherry, Sherry, cocoa bar, Seraphina, flaming eyes. Where I'd be without you, love. That's your ways and trust. I feel you deep. I feel deep. I feel deep. I feel deep. I feel deep.
Do you love me? Do you trust me? Can I trust you? Don't judge me. I'm a diehard. It gets ugly. Too passionate. It gets ugly. I wonder where I lost my way. Been waiting on your call all day. Tell me you in my corner right now. When I fall short, I'm leaning on you to cry out. We all got enough to lie about. My truth too complicated to hide now. Can I open up? Is it safe or not? I'm a
Morning, good morning, good morning. Got news in 30 seconds. Retail sales. I'm not sure how much impact that's gonna have, but it's coming. Yesterday we did not break this level, did we? We did not break. Get rid of this. We're gonna break it with retail sales. Alright, let me start from the top. So daily looks like it just flipped bearish. There's the daily candle open. Breaking yesterday's low. Oh man, this is where we kind of left off here with this 4-hour candle. I was thinking continuation pattern. We closed below this support. Should continue pushing down. The price was not trying to go much further. Even the next 4-hour candle, which is, look, it's hardly any volume. That 4-hour candle was 30 pips. The 6 o'clock one. So see, we've got a nice little support here, which is currently being broken by news. If we get a closure below, we might finally get a push down to this 4-hour support. This would be my target of the day. If the 4-hour stays bearish, it's already broken the low with respect to the previous high. So we could have a sell day, possibly. Look at this range. Oof. The sells are definitely cleaner. So yeah, we get a good closure below here now. Should get some sells. Continue down. What's the next 30-minute support? Far left. Got support right here. Perfect. Got a good range. Actually, we've got some little supports here, don't we? I think with volume we just keep pushing. Man, finally a breakout. Finally. I'm not looking for any buys. Let's draw the next couple resistances. Yeah, I'm not looking for any buys. I don't even like this second range because there's too much resistances. If I was taking any buys, it would be all the way above here. Or maybe above this first one because this is clean. But we'll see, we'll see. Morning, Benny. Good morning. Alright, let's look at gold while GJ is doing his thing. Let's get rid of all of this old analysis. Morning, Anna. I don't know if it's morning where you are actually. So hello. Hey Rosie. We got the gang back. Sorry. Alright, so gold. Gold weak bearish right now. It's been rejecting this area. Every time it comes up in here, it rejects. Honestly, it pushes down. So if you see anytime it gets to the 2700, we get a sharp pullback. So November pullback. Obviously, this was like the election and stuff. End of November, sharp drop. December, sharp drop. So now we're back up in here. If not today, maybe next week we might have a massive pullback. But if we can continue up past these highs, we could potentially get some continued buyers. Would be nice for gold to stay up here, like high gold prices. So 4 hours creating a support at the moment. Obviously still just less than 3 hours for the candle to close. So can't really call it a support yet, because there's still a possibility of it flipping bearish and continuing. It did break the previous 4 hour low. So we'll see how this 4 hour closes. It could just be structure, support to continue up. So we'll have to wait and see there. So I won't put a support there yet, but we do have a good support down here. So I'll put that one up. Got that daily resistance. This is a 4 hour support here. Let me just drop down to lower. I'm going to leave that there and take that off. Just clean it up a bit. And we've got a resistance right in the middle of this range. Alright, so closure above. Got some buys for gold. Closure below, we got some sells. Pretty simple. It always starts that way though, and then price starts doing its thing in between. But yeah, we've got some decent ranges. 70 pips above. What's this? 80 pips below. It's perfect. And the closure above or below the immediate resistances, and the daily candle will be in the direction of the trade. So we're in a good spot for gold. Very good spot for gold. I just gotta wait and see if these levels get broken. How's GJ doing? GJ was playing games yesterday. I did take it was like a 8 pip loss. So where was it? I think it was using the 15. I can't even remember where it was. It's just so choppy. Where was it? Because it just shot straight up. I think it was around here. Was it here? No, let me check. So I remember taking a one hour broke the low. I think it was about here. Yeah, I think it was about here. Remember, this candle just shot straight up. I think so. It was a bit later. I can't remember exactly, but I remember using the 15-minute as a stop loss. 15-minute high, and then price just shot up. I think it was a 1 hour break in a low. It was just terrible. It's a crazy candle, just pushed right up. It just pushed up Luckily, I reduced my stop loss because I think it was above a 30-minute candle at the 15-minute close. It was going to have a continuation somewhere, and then, yeah, just got stopped out. And I thought, yep, I'm not messing with GJ today. I was doing all of this mad stuff, no bottom wicks. Kept retesting this resistance. It's a strong resistance right here. But yeah, terrible price action. Terrible. Full week of news for pound yen. I think that's really what it was. GJ moves cleaner when there's no news. Definitely moves a lot cleaner when there's no news. So we're finally getting a closure below support. Yeah, it looks that way. I was thinking about taking sells on the next 15, but I think I'm going to wait because of the stop loss. Hopefully we get like a continuation pattern, like a week 15, the next one. And then I'm in some, definitely going to be in some sells. So the next 30-minute candle, 7:30 for me. This is a nice drop, man. Finally, let me see what those numbers were. It must have been bad. Bad like last time. Yep, numbers missed. Oh, wow. It's really bad numbers. So the forecast was 0.4% and the retail sales came out minus 0.3%. Oh, that is a miss. A big miss. Okay, hopefully we should get some follow-through sales today. Finally hit a sell target. So I've got a weekly support all the way down here. So this was, I've got a 4-hour level. So this will be my first TP. But like my daily one is all the way down here. I don't think it's gonna drop 500 pips on week retail. But you never know with GJ. Let the market open up and see the pound economy is absolutely garbage. GBP. And just tank. Yeah, man, these sales finally looking good. Gold just ranging. How's the dollar doing? 'Cause the dollar did a little drop yesterday, didn't it, Anna? As mentioned, I think it was here. Just very weird price action yesterday. You saying entry on the M15, Benny? Hopefully you get a good top wick. Sells after top wick, yeah, that's right. I kind of want a continuation pattern, or yeah, I'm just gonna wait for the 7:30 candle, but I definitely see the potential. The way GJ is like, there's a magnet in this area for for price to go to. Yeah, nice continuation pattern would be so good for the cells. And hopefully not a push back up into this range. I'm expecting just a little bit of a pullback, just because we have this rejection to the left. So maybe a pullback into this area, nothing major. What about the support below? Do you know what? Honestly, I'm anticipating with volume that price just pushes below that. So it's not after news and stuff. These levels are just areas where price might bounce or stop. But because we've pushed down so close to it, I'm anticipating, you know, we just continue through. It's a really old level as well. I'm more concerned with this one here because it's, you know, 189, because it's a psychological number. So I would anticipate more of a slowdown there.
OGs, BGs.
OGs is original gangster.
Like me.
Original gangster.
And BGs?
BGs is baby gangsters. Baby gangsters.
Baby
Yeah.
gangsters.
Call us BG.
Crazy. I see you from my homeboy, his name was Avery. He was standing on the corner. The crowd rolled by. The crowd rolled out, but I don't know why. You see, he stood there because he thought it was a crime. They rolled out his name and they said, let's try. They pull out the gat and they pulled the trigger.
Alright, so we had a nice little bounce off of this support. I'm gonna have I haven't put the sell stop in yet, but potentially this is where it would be. Using the 15 as a stop loss. Yes, Caswell. That's exactly what I was saying. 15-minute continuation. And I'm glad price broke below this support as well, because when it pushes down, it's not sort of bouncing off. So yeah, sales incoming. Alright, don't hit my sell stop yet. It's not actually there, but this is where I want the sells. My broker price is a bit different. I'm gonna make it 36 flat. Yeah, it's about a pip away from where it closed. hopefully this candle doesn't break this previous high, because we want that as a stop. Just a little top wick, push down. So now my sell stop's locked in. Just gotta wait for this drop now. Come on, GJ, where's the volume? Give us some energy. So it's making a top wick. Yeah, looks so. Looks so. I don't want it to break this previous wick though, otherwise I'm going to take my sell stop off. Okay, that's my stop loss right there. I mean, I could use entry candle high. I just don't want to. Yeah, I don't really want to use it. We'll see though, we'll see. If it does break the high, we'll switch to the 30 and just see how that looks. Alright, 15 flip bearish, drive down. Good, good, good. Just a little bit more, fill that wick. Break the low. DJ's really chilling here, huh? I don't think it's waiting for 8 o'clock volume. I really don't. I think we'll get the drop. It's just taking its sweet time about it. Alright, come on. 10 pips from entry. Said GJ's going down today. Friday sell-off. Do you know what? I do like some Friday sells with pound yen. I don't know how early or for how long it's going to sell off, but I know we do get some good sell-offs. So yeah, I'm here for it. I mean, we're already pushing. Go on, 8 pips. Yeah, 27 pip stop loss. Go on, give us a good Friday sell. I just need to get past this support. Ooh. It was about 3 pips from entry just there. Alright, I've been tapped in. Let's go. Stop loss is about here. Alright, I'm in some sells. Got the closure below and the fifth break of the low, 15 and 30 minute. Got the continuation pattern. Stop loss above the previous 15-minute high. Only thing I'm really cautious about is this support, but I think, like I said, with volume we break it. But I can imagine price sort of struggling around this area because it is a support. Gold's dropping too. Do you know what? I see the price. I'm watching. I remember 27.10 was the area I wanted to break. So I want to see how this closes as well. In the next 30 minutes. For sure. Or next 15, sorry. My 15 candle closed right on support again. This support is kind of holding up. Kind of closed below. Alright, come on 15, top wick, keep dropping. It's official. I've seen that. So this support is holding up. It is. It is. It really is. Support is holding. But I'm going to move my stop loss to above this candle here. I'll reduce it a little bit. Reduce on my broker. So top wick again. Yeah, candle's got to make them top wicks, right? Gotta make those top wicks. They're still pulling up. The gold closed below on the 15. Gold looks spicy. Looking to retrace this whole move, huh? Yeah, I hope gold closes below. We're gonna have some nice sells. And then I'm gonna keep it on the 15, so I use that for stop loss as well. Alright, GJ, your turn. So GJ's been testing all my patience. GJ, yeah, you definitely need some patience with GJ. Especially recently. It's so true. It's so true. This candle looks good though, if it stays like this. Alright, down to the last 10 minutes of the 30. You know what happens here. Get that movement. Get some volume. Let's just hope it's to the downside. Man, that was some bit of a pullback, wasn't it? There's some Friday market movement. Alright, gold, don't drop too much without us. And then once this candle closes, I'm going to move my stop loss above. So I'll put my stop loss like here. Wait for the candle to close. Another continuation pattern. Yeah, that's what it looks like it's forming. It does look like it's forming another continuation, which is still obviously very good for the sells. Oof, gold closing back above. Boom, 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 boom. Wow, I thought it was gonna flip and drive there. I wouldn't mind a weak bullish candle though. Go on, I'm gonna get another closure below. Give us a closure below this support. I really believe if this support wasn't here, we'd have a cleaner drive down. But yeah, 1 minute, I'll be moving my stop loss. I don't want this 8 o'clock candle to push up crazy. Now that market open volume. Looks like gold is holding at this support as well. Alright, so no sells on gold. Definitely wanted a nice strong closure below. That's not happening. Eight o'clock candle. Yeah, I don't like it. I'm gonna have to look for a re-entry. But I had a feeling 8 o'clock candle would push up. I had a feeling. Also look for another entry once we break this low. Not a great week for GJ. No, it's not good. Not good. It's this support right here. Seeing the candle close like right on this support. It's obviously quite significant. So maybe need a good closure. I still think we'll come down. But price is struggling here. Look how many times it's tapped. We've tapped it 1, 2, 3 times. So we might have to wait for some like better structure. Like I said, if this at least if the 30-minute doesn't break this high, and then we re-break the low, I'm looking for some more sells. Just want to be extra cautious with GJ because you know it's been doing its madness recently. Well, I still think we'll sell. You're using M30 for stops. Oh yeah, you're nice then, you're nice. You're nice. Oh, good job. Should have held, to be honest. I did think that the M30 was gonna, not the M30, the 8 o'clock candle was gonna push up. But it didn't push up that high, did it? It's so good. I've had a decent week with gold. I think that's what's saved me this week. Gold has definitely saved me this week. Go on, break the low, keep pushing. M30 is respecting previous highs. This thing should drop. It should drop. It's just playing about because of this support. It's playing a horrible game. But I am going to get back in once we break these lows. looks like it wants to drop, right? But it's not dropping. I feel you, Rosie. I understand. I feel you. It's like teasing this level. It really is. Could you imagine if it just started a new range? No, let me not say things like that. That would be very annoying. Pip stop. Alright, I'm getting in again. Yeah, man, those retail sales this morning. Waiting for that closure below support on gold. Yeah, same. I thought it was going to close below on the previous candle, but it didn't. It didn't, so didn't get in. 15-minute did though, just about. But I don't know about gold right now, man. But I think it does drop later. We've got a nice clean range down. And price keeps pulling back from the 2700s. I don't want to do that. So yeah, I think we get a good drop. Oh, GJ is playing games right now. GJ is playing too many games. So 2 continuation patterns. It's got to drop, right? Right, back to back continuation patterns as well. 1, 2. It'd be crazy if it doesn't. It would actually be crazy if it doesn't. Even looks like a continuation pattern on gold. If it can fill this wick. Right, let's see this new 15-minute. It's about to open. Don't like this closure on pound yen, you know. I'm not liking how it's closing. 2 bullish 15-minute candles. I don't like it. Looks like some Freaky Friday going on, right? Yeah, I don't like this. Oof. Yeah, GJ is not looking good. It's not looking good. No top wick on this 15-2. I'm not sure if this trade survives. Like 2 15 30 minute, 2 15 bullish candles. Oof. So 30 minutes still hasn't broken a previous high. So that's like, obviously that's a good sign. Candles are still trending bearish. Said M30 does look good. It's wicky though. Yeah. And it's wicking away from off of this support. You know, we're surviving. It's a little bit more of a drop. It's a pretty clean range too. Is it finally gonna push? It's just the same prices over and over again. Let's see what this 5 minute looks like. Man. This support is way too strong. I mean, 15 structure still looks good. We'll keep it on the 30. 30 minutes giving me peace right now. Yeah, for sure. As long as the 30 minutes respecting the previous highs as well. We're still trending down. What's gold doing? Gold looks like it's frozen. I keep seeing the same price. Yeah, pretty much. Gold ain't doing nothing. Yeah, this resistance is holding. This support is holding on gold. Dum, dum, dum. That's right. Gotta be patient. Gotta be super patient. Super patient with GJ. Or at least the 15's got a bit of a top wick now. It didn't have one before, just push straight down. Let's wait for GJ. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Sharon can see some buys. That's what that means. That's what that means. Yeah, the support is holding up too much though. Not gonna lie. If this candle closes bullish, I'm closing half. Yeah, GJ is not trying to sell right now, is it? Oof. This is a rough Friday. Support is holding up too much. I'm gonna break the previous 30-minute high too. No bueno. Yeah, this support was not trying to break. I can't look for any buys yet though. Not while we have a bearish 4-hour candle and daily candle. So like I said in the beginning, if I look for buys, it would have to be literally above this resistance up here, I think. Yeah, it'd have to be further up. Not feeling this range to buy through. Oh, might finally get a closure below on gold. Gold gonna save the day. This 30-minute candle isn't even too big for once. Alright, gold. See how this candle closes. Next 2 minutes. Wait. Hilarious. Might trust gold. I think GJ might retest 189.8 before falling again. Oh, like a break and retest. You know what? Maybe, you know, because it did just sort of drop through this range. I can see it. Depends if you get a resistance form below here. No, I could definitely see it. Doesn't look like we're getting the gold closure. Look at gold. Go on, go to your spot. Go away, cat. So gold closed above. Then we got kind of continuation pattern. And GJ formed a nice support and engulfing. Now, if I had a bullish bias, I would be looking at buys. But because price is so bearish for pound yen, I can't look at buys with this structure yet. Look at it. It's too bearish. It's too bearish. Yeah, the support was really holding. Yeah, maybe a retest before we come back down. I'm here for it. So Benny's right. Yeah. Yep. Could definitely see a retest. Alright, let's wait for this retest. Finish my water. This is good. Push up, retest, sell back down. Got no bottom wick here. That'd be lovely. $52. Cool. It's down there. That all the supports are holding up today. But when they break, it's got some nice ranges. Alright, I'll be back. I'm gonna get some water real quick. Maybe some grapes. Alright, I'm back. What's JJ doing? Alright, making that bottom wick finally. Possibly. We're getting a resistance here. We're going to keep going up. Alright, GJ. Dum, dum, dum. Closure above for buyers. Nah. No buyers just yet. I want to see a retest. That's really what I want to see. I want to see this level get respected. This. I want to see a retest, then a resistance. Maybe in the next 15-minute candle. And then sells back down. But if that doesn't happen, I'm not looking for buyers until we get through all of this range. See the 1 hour, you know, potentially above here, but this yesterday, this was terrible. So I don't even want to be playing in this area again, to be honest. I want to be clear of all of this. So yeah, like I said, probably above 190.5. 190.5 for the buyers. Oh, GJ. Crazy thing is, it's forming some nice structure. You know, breakout, support, should get a nice resistance. Big candles. Okay, so that 15-minute kind of retapped the 15-minute support. That might have been a retest. I said earlier about this rejection wick, like this sort of rejection area, and price like pulling back up into this area. Gold sales are out the window for now. Alright, GJs, it's the retest. Are we closing above? Oh, GJ. Daily, man. Daily's so bearish. We didn't tap into this daily support yet. Look at the weekly. Like, I'm trying to picture how this weekly candle's gonna close. It's either gonna close below this weekly support or it's gonna hold. So that's above 190. But I hope it doesn't. I don't think it does, honestly. Because we've got a weekly double top. You know, the M pattern. And it doesn't finish until... How big is this? 198. It's like 800 pips. So maybe down to here. Daily's very bearish, structure-wise. Got a 4-hour support above 189.85. I just think this 4-hour candle just closes nice and bearish. Do you know what I mean? We broke all these lows. Don't see it pulling up. This one did. So based on the high time frames, GJ's a sell. So we've got a 1-hour retest. So I'm just going through all my thought patterns on every time frame. A nice little retest. Now next 30-minute should create a resistance and then continue like this downtrend structure, but at this point pound yen's gonna do whatever the hell it wants to do, right? There's no NY stream today since there's no NY news. Let me just confirm, but I'm sure there isn't. Nope. So we'll just be chilling in the Discord for the rest of the day. So yeah, for me it's a sell from a resistance formed, which probably won't be till NY now. Obviously I don't take trades after 9. In between that pullbacky volume area, still looking for sells below this support, a closure below here. And then buys above. I think I might get the gold sells before the pound yen sells though. Now gold is something I'll trade in between that low volume time, because it doesn't really apply to gold as much as it does pound yen. Let me show you. Like this would be it here. It would still continue. So that's what, 1039. Yeah, it's not as bad with gold. This is a crazy range. So we'll see. But I do believe gold rejects from the 2700s. We couldn't stay above this 2720, which is a strong area at previously. Go close right below this and then make a nice resistance for me. DJ pissed me off today. Gonna be a good gym session. Yeah, man, take it out in the gym. Take out your frustrations in the gym. Go hard. Yeah, DJ hasn't been great this week. I think after this, I'm gonna go for a little cycle on my bike. Little 20 minutes, half an hour. Come back, make some lunch. Or late breakfast. Get ready for NY session. That's the plan for today. Dun, dun, dun. How's this candle gonna close? Is this support holding or breaking? Could even retest the daily flip. Could push up, fill this gap, make a top wick. Create a little price action like we had yesterday. Either way, I'm not touching pound yen until it looks super clean. I think a mistake made today here was selling into this support. Should have known when it sort of tapped and pulled back that it was a good level. Even though it kept breaking, it was still holding, so won't be doing that again. Even though it was just after news and expected it to break. If it holds, no good, no bueno. 10 seconds. Looks like we're respecting this level. Alright, well, gold is weakening anyway. Guys, I'm gonna leave it here. I'm gonna leave it here for this morning. See what kind of range and nonsense we get in pound yen for the next couple hours. Still don't even have a top wick. Yeah, guys, I've been in Discord. See you later, and if not, Monday morning. Peace out.